Hi everyone, it's Ashley. Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you how fun it is to use Mango Languages. Mango Languages is an online language learning software program and is a resource brought to you by the Meaford Public Library. To begin learning a new language, download the Mango Languages app on your tablet or smartphone, or you can open it directly on your computer through the link on the Meaford Public Library's website. Today I'm going to show you how it operates on my computer, but it will be a similar layout on other devices that you may be using. So the easiest way to get the link for Mango Languages on your computer is to go to the Meaford Public Library's website at meafordlibrary.on.ca. You will select the Online Resources tab at the top and scroll down to Download e-learning resources. Click on that and it will open up a new page. We'll scroll down on this page until we come to Mango Languages. Click on the link, which will open up the page. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is to sign up and create an account. So you can do that here with the sign up button. Fill in the form with an email address, your card number, the 14 digits on the back of your library card, and a password, which is your PIN number, the last 4 digits of your phone number. And then select sign up. Now I've already done this, so I'm just going to go back and I'm going to log into my account. Alright, so now we are ready to explore a new language. So what is a language that you have always wanted to try and learn? Not sure? Well, you can select one of the popular languages here at the top, or you can select from over 70 other languages that are available through Mango Languages. So lots of options to choose from. I've begun learning Italian, so let's just resume with those lessons. So when the Learn tab up here is selected, you'll be presented with your learning pathway. This is where the bulk of the Mango Languages content is located. The menu on the left here shows the main units. So the main units contain the Mango Conversations lessons, reading and listening lessons, recap lessons, and quizzes, and they are shown on the right-hand side. So let's look a little more closely at each of these. So the lesson icons are the numbered lessons, are the conversation lessons. They are designed to teach language through conversation. So let's begin with the lesson. We'll start with number 1. So this opens up lesson 1, salutations and small talk. The conversational goals and the grammar goals are listed for what you will be learning in this lesson. Mango teaches language learning with practical conversation-based methodology and culture and grammar notes that provide context insights. So let's start our lesson.
This chapter will teach you to have delightful conversations like this.
Buongiorno.
Buongiorno signora, come sta?
Bene, grazie. E lei?
Molto bene, grazie. Che bel tempo oggi, vero?
Sì, davvero. Un autunno fantastico. Arrivederci e buona giornata.
Grazie, anche a lei.
Don't worry if the conversations seem difficult. We'll lead you through it part by part.
Alright, so let's hit next.
This is how you say, "Good morning, sir."
Buongiorno signore.
Now you can select the voice comparison button. I don't have my microphone hooked up because I'm using it for this video, but if you select your microphone, you'll be able to try speaking the language and practice pronunciation. You can select the replay button. Well, it will just replay the new words you were learning with the icon showing the enunciation.
Buongiorno signore.
Or you can replay the entire section.
This is how you say, "Good morning, sir."
Buongiorno signore.
So you can select these buttons as many times as you need while you're practicing. When you're finished, you'll select Next to move on. Continue through the lesson speaking, interacting, and learning. Quizzes can be found at the end of each chapter for specific language courses. And quizzes are available only in a browser, so not on a tablet or a smartphone. When the lesson is finished, return to the main page by clicking the X in the top left corner. So let's look at some more of the features. So we have listening lessons. These are designed to increase a learner's familiarity with the material learned in a conversations courses. So here's how that would work. Let's go back. Reading lessons are designed to increase a learner's familiarity with the material learned in the conversation courses as well. And here's how they would work. And recap lessons. These will help you review the contents of that particular chapter and help you effectively retain the material. So similar to the lessons, we have our goals of grammar and conversational, and we would start our lesson. But let's go back for now. So you will continue through each chapter to complete the unit and then begin the next unit. So here's one. We take the chapters with each of the lessons, and then we begin unit number 2, which would be connections. So as you can see on the left here, there are also specialty units. Specialty courses follow the same methodology found in the main unit courses, but focus on specialty topics, cultural events, and unique cultural aspects of a language. So they're nice bonus lessons. There's also a review at the top here, and review assists learners by presenting them with keywords and phrases that they've been exposed to in Mango conversations over time at specific intervals. So when there are words and phrases to review, click on the Start to begin. Alright, and one other fun feature of Mango Languages is the Tools tab at the top. Here you can select a word or a phrase and type it in this box here, and you can translate it to another language. So for instance, we can where you have selected English, so we'll type in bye, and we will translate it to Italian, and we can see here, ciao is how we say goodbye. So there's lots to learn and explore with Mango Languages. I hope this was a helpful tutorial giving you an introduction to this fantastic resource brought to you by the Meaford Public Library. Ciao!